My people oh, dis oloris don carry come to Seki one. They don carry come to the place wey the person wey sabi that thing, as in e get as dem use to put am for proverb say e don reach the person wey dey one, the person wey get that thing go know. They don dey take the one wey the person wey get am go know, because I don't know why they will want to involve innocent people in the case of their dragging with Kabiyesi and Queen Naomi and all of that. You see, now we are hearing alleged that they don involve Olori, they don carry Queen Naomi matter come involve with Pastor Jerry Eze, all the men of God that is in Queen Naomi's life. As we are hearing allegedly that they are saying that initially people were saying that it was not Queen Naomi, it was not Kabiyesi that have these babies, because Queen Naomi, they did IVF for 2 times, it fell and all of that. That when Queen Naomi now later got pregnant, people started dragging, saying that Queen Naomi is not the one that got the pregnant, that it's not from Kabiyesi, that is from one of the pastors that is pastoring, that is in Queen Naomi's life. That it is not Queen Naomi, it's not Kabiyesi. And that was when they said that after that their argument and the rumor, because it's a rumored information, that was when they said that Olori Kabiyesi's sisters, they sneaked out to go and collect Tade's sample and did DNA test. To their greatest surprise, all their plans failed. It happened that it was Queen Naomi that got stabbed, that Kabiyesi was the father to Tadenikawo. My correct people, that one number one. Now we don dey hear again be say they are saying Olori Igbi in particular, as we heard allegedly, was the one saying that all the people in Queen Naomi's life, that they no make sense. All the people in Queen Naomi's life, they no make sense. That why would they feel like, if they think they make sense, if they think they love Queen Naomi, if they think they are giving Queen Naomi good advice, that they are not confusing and deceiving Queen Naomi, now why would they leave Queen Naomi to? Why would they know that Queen Naomi is a man of God, a woman of God, and they will still allow her to go to Babalawo to get stuff to hold her husband? What about the prayer that she is praying? Is it not working for her again? This woman, she's bent on destroying Queen Naomi. She's bent on it, doing that. Okay, now, saying that people in Queen Naomi's life, that none of them is useful, that none of them is, saying that they are not useful to Queen Naomi. That, they say that Olori, like this Pastor Jerry Eze now, that she is in on Queen Naomi's life. Reverend Esther Ajayi, all of them, they are in Queen Naomi's life. Now, why is it that they cannot advise Queen Naomi to accept her co-wife? I dey tell you say na dis wife of a thing na im dey cause all dis problem. Na why are they not telling her the truth? You know say they have been fighting even Reverend Esther. They have fought her. They have gone to her secretly and physically, spiritually too. They have gone to know if they can ruin the woman, but they don see say fire pass fire, power pass power. Okay, now what are they trying to do? They want to bring Queen Naomi's ego down. Sure, Queen Naomi no even get ego. They want to bring Queen Naomi, as in, say person wey sabi himself, integrity. They want to bring that her integrity down. Like, look at you. You said you are a prophetess. You cannot accommodate others. You are doing this. You are doing that. You are the reason why we are suffering in our marriage. All of this is this because of Kabiyesi. Now, for in short, I don't know wetin I go talk. This life, if you come this life, you come marry husband wey you no get, wey your husband come be good person, no dey look for anybody no dey look for am. Abeg, thank your God. Because you see, for this, that is why I dey pity people wey dey marry celebrities. I dey pity them o. Even sef single man and single man wey no be celebrities, e no dey easy. You go dey fight wars both physically and spiritually. Talk more of when you marry the celebrity. That was why I was having pity on Chioma and the Chioma for marrying Davido. Although Chioma na the same type. You see, I dey pity them o. Kabiyesi na big time celeb, and you see the kind of story that is coming out of it. Anyway, one thing about this their story is that the more you are talking about them, the more they get more popular. But we know that all this rumored information we are carrying out, if all of them happen to be the truth, that means hey, things is not moving well. Oh, they go well at all at all. So right now we dey hear say Olori Aunty Igbi, na she be the rumor monger wey dey carry everything dey go this time around. She don talk say everybody for Queen Naomi's life, none of them is useful to Queen Naomi. That Queen Naomi is is not useful to them. That there's no how they will just believe that Queen Naomi is a prophetess. Which kind of prophetess that she is? Every time she go dey carry herself dey go babalawo. Na one day that she have been following her. She must get to that place where she dey go collect that juju. She must get to that place where they collect that juju. They don't go to report to Reverend Esther too. Reverend Esther told them that they should leave Queen Naomi alone, that Queen Naomi no do them anything. You see, Olori Tobiloba, she don report after reporting when she need problem, when she get problem again. She will come back to that same person wey she dey report against. Okay, now this Reverend Esther, what they plan to wed Queen Naomi and Kabiyesi, what did they do that time he was planning the wedding? They went and attacked the woman to the core. They attacked her until she started coming to Kabiyesi to tell Kabiyesi to warn your wife that if they come to attack her the way they did again, that things are going to, they are not going to like what he's going to them, he will do to them. Okay, now my people, wetin we dey hear be say that Kabiyesi, even Queen Naomi sef was also shocked. But because I know that people that is in Queen Naomi's life, they are beautiful and wonderful people. If these people in Queen Naomi's life is in this Olori's life, advising them and they hidden to the advice they give to them, they will never cross Babalawo side. They will not do anything evil against anybody. They will not even leave their husband to come and drag another person's husband. But because of those people that is in Queen Naomi's life, na good people wey dem be. That is why Queen Naomi is still with her husband till now. Because had it been they are bad people, they for don tell Queen Naomi say, you see say you no dey work. Your husband don go marry extra 6 wives, including other concubines wey you never know. You don't know whether he go stay married tomorrow. Abeg leave him and go. But because they are good people, they pray with her. They encourage her to strive and collect what belongs to her. They stick with her even in thick and thin. They intercede with her. The other time we heard that they came to the palace and prayed. Men of God, the people that say there's this thing they are into it. Is it pastors organization something? They came to the palace and prayed with Queen Naomi when Queen Naomi wanted to come back to the palace the second time, maybe the third time. My people, see, Olori Mariam, she go use her hair dey carry wetin ever she go bring for, wey she dey talk about Queen Naomi. She go use her hair dey carry am. Anyway, don't forget that all of these gists are all alleged information. But if it is true, if they are all true, na be say wahala dey o. You know, we need to be more careful and more careful. And for these people they call Pastor Jerry and the rest of them, if you pray for them, if you pray against them, I don't know wetin go happen to their head o. Anyway, my people, na so I take care. Don't forget that they are alleged. Now here I hear. I know they for Palace of Ile-Ife Kingdom. Love you guys. Bye.